Namaste. Let us explore a lesser known story about the greatness of Lord Hanuman. The significance of Lord Hanuman's presence and protection during the Mahabharata war is mentioned in the 20th shloka of the first adhyaya of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, which says, Atha vyavasthitan drishtva dharta rashtran kapidhvajah pravritte shastra sampate dhanurudyamya pandavah ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यमिदमाह महीपते. Kapidhwaja means the flag on which Lord Hanuman presides. In this context, there is a story related to Lord Hanuman presiding over Arjun's chariot during the Mahabharata battle. During the exile of Pandavas, Bhim goes searching for beautiful scented flowers which Draupadi desired. On his search for the flowers deep into the forest, he finds an old monkey resting under a tree with his long tail blocking the path. Bhim orders the monkey to get away from his path, but he refuses, saying, I am extremely old and cannot move. If you want, you can try to move my tail and keep it aside to clear your path. With all his might, Bhim tries to lift the old monkey's tail, but all in vain. After a couple of tries, Bhim realizes that this is no ordinary monkey. He gives up and asks the monkey for forgiveness and requests him to tell him who he really is. The monkey then transforms into his original swaroop of Lord Hanuman and blesses him. Bhim prostrates at Lord Hanuman's feet. Hanuman expresses his desire to grant Bhim a boon in appreciation of his strength. Hanuman then assures Bhim that when you roar during the war at your enemies, I will amplify it so much so that your enemies will shudder. Further, during the Mahabharata battle, Lord Hanuman presides on the dhwaja or flag of Arjun's chariot Nandi Ghosh throughout the war. After the war, when the Kauravas are defeated and the Pandavas blow their victory conch, Lord Krishna asks them to halt. He asks Arjun to take his bow Gandir and his arrows and get down from the chariot. Arjun rightfully follows Krishna's orders and does so. After this, Krishna gets off the chariot, following which Lord Hanuman leaves and flies away from the flag on the chariot. As soon as they both step down, Arjun's grand chariot, which instilled fear in the minds of the Kauravas, just burns to ashes. Everyone witnessing this is shocked. Arjun looks at Krishna for an explanation, to which Krishna responds saying, This chariot was destroyed long back in the war with the kind of astras or weapons used by the likes of Dronacharya and Karna. But only because Ramaduta Hanuman and I were on this chariot, it remained unaffected by the power of those astras. This reflects Lord Hanuman's devotion to his Lord Ram, incarnated as Krishna. He chose to protect the chariot on which Krishna was sitting so that his Lord's vision is fulfilled. Ramaduare tuma rakhware, ho tana ajna binu paisare. सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना. You are the guardian at Lord Ram's door. Nobody can move forward without your permission, which means that seeking the grace of Lord Ram is possible only with your blessings. True happiness lies in taking refuge in you. With a protector like you, we will never have any fears.